Good morning, students. Welcome back to your English reader class. Today we see the lesson 1, the best vegetable. So here we will study about the best vegetable. Dear students, by listening this title, we think that the best vegetable. What is the best vegetable for us? No. But in the story, we will learn a little bit different. Okay? So first of all, I want to tell in this chapter, we are going to learn about the many vegetables name and its colors. Okay? Now you see the first is a cabbage. It is a green color. Then lettuce, green color. Onion, white and silver. Brinjal, blue. Tomato, red. Pea, green. Beans, dark red. Carrot, orange. Radish, white. Pumpkin, yellow. Beetroot, red. Turnip, purple. Potato, brown. Okay, I hope these vegetables you have understood what are the vegetables I have written here in front of you. So these are the vegetables name. It is there in our book and this is the color of this vegetable. So this you have to learn by heart. Okay. Now I will tell you the summary of this chapter. So in this chapter we will see that fairy queen. There is a queen. She arranged a ball. Ball means party. She arranged a party for all the vegetables to gather in a one place for a party. So all were invited. After invited, what they are doing? They were busy to dress up their own self and they are totally busy. Before that, they were not busy. But as they heard the fairy queen as arranging a party for us, for the vegetable, then they started to dress up very nicely so that they can be chosen as the best vegetable. So Fairy Queen also said that in this ball or in this party, I will choose the best vegetable. So that's why all the vegetables were dressing very nicely. Now we see all the vegetables have dressed according to this color dress. Okay, their dress was according to this color. So we see that after they were taking the cobwebs of the spider. Okay, now after that we will see then all the vegetables came for the party, but except the potato was left behind. Potato did not got the message of the party. So what happened? As soon he got the message, he was resting under the soil. So as he heard about the party, he got up. As soon he ran to the party. He did not change his dress. He did not wash himself. As he was sleeping in the mud, he went to the party. As he entered to the party, all the beautiful vegetables were making laugh upon the potato because all the vegetables were well dressed, but the potato was not well dressed. So all the vegetables were denying to talk with the potato because he is not well dressed. So after that, potato felt ashamed to remain there because all the vegetables were making a fun upon him. So he quietly moving from the party. When he was moving from the party, what happened? Queen saw the potato. After saw the potato, she asked, "Why are you leaving the party?" Then she said, "Come and dance with me. I chose you as the best vegetable." Then all the vegetables got anger and they said, "Why the potato has chosen as the best vegetable? He did not dressed as well dressed." According to us, we have well dressed, but he is not well dressed, he is dirty. Then the queen said, because potato is liable in all the season. Liable in all the season means potato remains in all the seasons. But the vegetables, other vegetables, they remain according to their seasons only. In our livelihood we see that जब हम देखते हैं बाजार से कुछ भी खरीदते हैं तो हम देखते हैं कि हमें पोटैटो पूरे साल मिलता है, लेकिन कुछ कुछ सब्जियां क्या होती हैं हमें पूरे साल नहीं मिलती हैं, वो कुछ सीजन में मिलती है। जैसे आम देख लो, आम गर्मियों के समय में मिलता है, ठंड में नहीं मिलती है। लाइक दैट सेम थिंग हैपन इन दिस vegetable also. Okay, so all the vegetable got angry and they were grumbling. Then the fairy queen got anger upon the all the vegetables. Then she cursed. Curse means उन्हें श्राप देती है। What श्राप she gives? She said, "You will keep this anger color in your when you will grow or when you will spoil." Okay, so here the fairy queen cursed all the vegetables. When she looked upon that, they were all were grumbling upon the potato. So the potato was very happy as chosen as the best vegetable. So here in this chapter, best vegetable means the vegetable which remains in all the years, provides all the years, that is the best vegetable in this chapter. Okay, in this chapter also one point is there, the fairy queen chose the best vegetable as well as she danced with the best vegetable. Dear students, I hope this beautiful chapter is clear to you, but I want to tell one more little things about that. The story tells us many things. Okay, according to this chapter we have learned the vegetable's name and its color also. And one more beautiful things we have learned in this chapter as a moral we can take, that we should not laugh upon the others. How they are, we have to accept them as they are. Okay, so we will also not get a curse from others or our God. Okay, you can see in this chapter that fairy queen cursed the other vegetable, those who are laughing upon the others, laughing upon the potato. As well as same to us, we have to take whatever we are, we have to accept, and others as they are, we have to accept. Okay, we should not make a laugh upon the others. Okay, so this chapter tells this moral, and this moral we have to take in our life. Okay, dear students, your homework is you have to write the summary of this chapter. Okay, and you have to write this vegetable's name which is given in this chapter and its color. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.